Hello, this is Justin with Druid City Media, giving a Joomla tutorial on how to install a custom HTML module. Now, often HTML modules are used to insert, whether it be text or picture, but just to insert some content onto the website. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm on the control panel right here, and I'm going to start all my tutorials from here. And this is just where you can access everything from the back end. It's really easy to get to. All you're going to do is you can either click this Joomla signal symbol in the top left here, or you can click System and go down to the drop-down control panel. It's really easy to get to. Now from here, what we're going to do is go to the top tab here and just click Extensions. And it's going to bring down this drop menu. All you're going to do is you're going to go to Module Manager. That's going to pull up all these modules. These are all default modules that come with Joomla when you install it. Not to worry about any of these because we're going to create a new one. So just go to the top left where this green new button is and click that. Now these are all these modules that you can use if you're trying to create a new one, but we're going to go to Custom HTML and click that. Now that's going to pull up the Custom HTML module editor, and this is where we're going to put the content into and make a few setting changes. First thing we're going to do is create a title here. And this is just something that you can title it to make it easier to recognize for yourself or for the user. In this case, the user is not going to see it, so we're just going to call it something that makes sense for us. So I'm going to call it Green Mountain. Oh, it's already pulled up there. And that's just because I'm going to put in a picture of a green mountain. Now I'm going to go over here to Show Title. Now, because the user is, I don't want the user to see the title Green Mountain, I'm just going to click Hide. And all that's going to do is hide the title from the module whenever it shows up. So if you don't want Green Mountain to be above the picture when the page opens, then you're going to want to hide that. Now position, this is just a setting to pick where the module shows up on the particular page that you're adding it to. Now, we've got all these different positions here, but what we're going to do is go down to the theme that we're using. Now, Bees 3, we're not using that theme. We're going to go down to the one that we are using, which is Protostar. Now, this is just the built-in template. You may be using a different one, but right now we're using Protostar, and we're just going to go down to Top Center. Now, that's going to put it in the top center. This is just where we want it. Now, we're going to go down to the last setting, Status. And this is just going to choose whether it shows up on your site or not. If it's not published, no matter what other setting you're going to do, it's not going to show up. And of course, we want it to show up on our site, so we're going to leave that checked. Great. Now we're going to go over to Menu Assignment. And as the name, indicates, it's just what pages on the website it's going to show up. So we don't want it on all the web pages. We just want it on the home page. So we're going to go down to Only on the Pages Selected. Click that. And this gives us all these options and selections here. What we're going to do is we're going to select None, because all we really want it is on one page. So we're going to clear that out, give us a clean slate, and then just click on Home here. Great. Now from there, we're going to go back to Module here. Now you may think, well, where's the content? Well, we can do a few things here. In this case, I'm adding a picture, but you can really add anything here. You can add text here. And just do whatever you want here, and it'll show up just fine. Or you can add an image like me. And that's pretty common to do. So what I'm going to do is go down here and just click Image right there. Now that's going to pull up your image manager here. Now as you can see, these are none of the images I want. These are images that came default to Joomla, but aren't really relevant to what I want to do with the website. So I want to add my own. So what I'm going to do is scroll down here until I get to Upload File. Now this gives me the option to upload a file from my computer and upload it onto the site. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say Choose Files here. Now in my pictures library I have here, I have this picture of some green mountains and some nice grass. And I'm going to say Open. Great. So now it's here, green.jpg, and I am going to start upload. That's just going to upload it to the Media Manager so I can access it quickly. Great. Now that that's uploaded, I'm going to select it. So you can see it showing up right there. Now I'm just going to click it, green, and just say insert. Now this is inserting it into the module editor here, so it's showing up here. Now don't be worried that it's a really big picture. All it's going to shrink it. It's going to shrink it down just fine and put it right into the position, just how I want it. Great. Now all I'm going to do is say save and close here. And it's going to bring back up the module manager. Now you can see in the module manager, Green Mountain is now one of the items just where we want it. Cool. Now we're going to do is go up to click My CMS. This is just going to be the title of your site, whatever it is. Now I'm just going to click that, and now it's going to pull up the website. And look at that. There is my image, my Green Mountains picture. And there you go. Thank you so much. This is just showing you how to insert a custom HTML module.